Hello and welcome, guys, to another unboxing video.
Today we have a microphone that is named Austrian Audio OD303 dynamic one. So what do you think, how heavy it is?
I think it's 400 grams.
Okay, I will go with 300 grams then. So let's go and see. And oh, okay.
What?
Okay. 535 grams. So you were closer.
Okay.
So now let's open up the package, my darling.
That's it?
I think so.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what do we have inside? Oh, now we have a logo. You can put it on your phone or
Sticker.
computer. Okay, we have quick start guide and a quality certificate for the microphone, end of line measurement, visual inspection, box content verification, free warranty extension. Don't register, guys. I really like their products. They really look good. Their packaging also looks good. It's not the first microphone of Austrian Audio I am unboxing. We had two microphones in a case and it looked really beautiful. Here we have the microphone, the carrying pouch, and the holder. So here we have our microphone and this is how it sounds. And what I see that it's not the most sensitive one. Like if you are not shouting, I used all my gain on this audio interface and it's not peaking, so yeah, you need a lot of gain for this one. And what else? So now let's talk about the specs. And this microphone, as I said, is dynamic and super cardioid. Frequency range is from 35 Hz to 16 kHz.
It has 3D pop noise diffuser. And
this microphone is a competitor for Shure SM58. So now let's compare this microphone to Rode M1 microphone that I have, and I will be using the same gain. So let's check. So this is Rode M1 microphone, and this is how it sounds compared to the Austrian Audio. You want to say something?
no, I didn't.
So which microphone's design looks better for you?
I don't know, maybe Austrian Audio microphone.
You will go with.
What? What do you want?
So you will go with Austrian Audio microphone.
Yes, I think. Yes, I think so. What about you?
I really like that floating capsule. It looks very beautiful, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So now let's check how it sounds from the side. This is how it sounds from the side. From the other. It doesn't matter. This is how it sounds from the back. I'm shouting for you to hear me. I'm shouting for you to hear me. But this is how it sounds from the back. And this is how it sounds from the front. So, what do you think about this microphone?
So that's it for today.
The quality of this microphone's audio sounds really good, and I think you should really think about buying this microphone instead of a SM58. If both microphones sounds you the same, so why shouldn't you buy the better looking one? Like, this floating capsule looks really good, so...
That's it for today. Goodbye, guys.
Wait, what about like, subscribe, share, comment?
Okay, from the beginning. So that's it for today. Like, subscribe and share our video. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye. We will see in the next one. Peace.